Hello, dancers. We are in week 6 again. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to do a little bit different workout. With our different workout, we're going to go right to it. It is a all-level cardio workout, but it's going to focus on plyometrics, as you saw in that opening screen. With plyometrics, oh, commercials, of course. You probably heard the term plyometrics. Well, what is plyometrics? Plyometrics is another word for jump training. It is a training technique designed to increase muscular power and explosiveness. Plyometric training conditions the body by using dynamic resistance exercises. These exercises rapidly stretch a muscle, then rapidly shorten it. For example, hopping and jumping exercise work to both stretch and shorten the quadriceps, which then can strengthen the muscles, increasing your vertical jump and reducing the force of impact on the joints. Well, why do dancers want this? It's so you can jump higher. Wouldn't it be nice to jump a little bit higher when you execute a jump? The higher you are, the more you can soar, the more control you're going to have of your body, and the better it is. So we're going to work on plyometrics in dance. What are some of the benefits? Dancers realize the benefits of incorporating plyometrics into their training regime. What dancer wouldn't want to improve their vertical jumps, increase their muscular strength, and protect their joints? By improving a dancer's explosive power, plyometrics can help dancers reach new heights with their leaps and their jumps. It's as simple as that. You're going to do your 30-minute workout. There are reflection questions at the end. Hope everybody's doing well. Miss ya. Take care. Hey, it's Teacher Appreciation Week. Don't forget to thank a teacher. Have a great day.